I want you to see, Isabella, what you did when I used to put you down in your crib, and you didn't want to be put down in your crib. You were smiling like a minute ago, not even a minute ago, like 20 seconds ago. But because you're somewhere you don't want to be, this is what you did. Oh my God! Hi, baby girl. Hi. Watch this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, how could I not love that face?